Hi everyone, welcome to Roll Out Savings. I'm Danielle and I'm here bringing Lori's 5 off 25 Saturday deals for this Saturday at Dollar General. Up first, we wanted to wish you all a very happy Thanksgiving and we hope you have a great time with your family. These 5 off 25 deals are coming out a day early because we are going to spend the day with our family tomorrow. So let's jump into some information. Up first, we have the 3-day sale, which I put a video out on that yesterday. It does include our Black Friday deals at Dollar General. The 3-day sale is from Thursday through Saturday, and Black Friday is obviously this Friday. We do have our cheat sheet that is available to print out for free. So that will be linked in the description box below, and I will link that 3-day sale as well. The cheat sheet, obviously, you can print that out free every week. Every week we do put out the cheat sheet. Friday, I believe it's Friday, we should have like a gift idea video coming out and some filler items type of content. So let's jump right into these 5 off 25s. So starting first, we are going to go over our P&G deals. These are your 3 off 10, 5 off 20, those type of deals. So up first, we have your 10 off 40 deals. This is $15.84. You're going to get your Bounty, your Charmin, your Febreze, the Downy, the Tide, the Bounce, and all the good things you see here and pay $15.84 out of pocket. And you should get back that 10 off 1001. For $16.49, you're going to get your box of Loves, 2 packages of Loves, and the Bounty Essentials paper. And that will be $16.49 out of pocket. You will get back the 10 off 1001. This is also a 10 off 40. You can get the Power Mop Solution and the Power Mop. It is a specific one that is attaching to this P&G, and you will pay $14.74. So make sure you're scanning with your Dollar General app and you have those coupons clipped. You'll get back the 10 off 1001. Up next for 8 off 30 P&G, we have $8.99 out of pocket for 2 Loves, the Easy Ups, and 2 Febreze. And again, that's $8.99 out of pocket. You'll get back your 8 off 801. This is an 8 off 30 as well. For $11.99 out of pocket, you can get your Swiffer Power Mop. Again, that's a specific one that is attaching. It's for the wood Power Mop. That's $35. And that would be $11.99 out of pocket. You'll get back that $8 coupon. For $11.49, you can get your Charmin, your Swiffer wet pads, the Bounty paper towels, and also some Febreze holiday scents, and the Dawn, and that Dawn is the 275 size. For $9.34, you're going to get your Tide, your Bounce, your Charmin Essentials, that's the dollar pack, the Downy Calm, the Bounty Essentials, and your your Clorox toilet bowl cleaner. And that would be $9.34 out of pocket. 5 off 20 deals, $7.49, 2 Loves, the Johnsons, and the Febreze 2-pack, and that would be $7.49. You'll get back a 5 off 501 on this purchase. This one is a 5 off 20. For $11.24, you will get your Charmin, your Bounty, your Febreze, and some Pine Sol. And on this one, you will get back that 5 off 501 for your next purchase. And just so you know, you can't combine that 5 off 501 with your 5 off 25. You can get your 2 Swiffer refills and 2 Energizer batteries for $7.99. And this is a 5 off 15 P&G deal. You'll get back the 5 off 501. The same thing on this one. You're going to get your Tide, your Bounce, your Febreze, your Advanced Warmer, your Airwick, and your Bounty Essentials paper towels, and pay just $4.89. This is the single roll, and I will link the UPC for that down below in the description. For $5.99, you can get 2 Loves, the Aveeno Baby, and a Febreze. And of course, you're going to get back your 5 off 501 on this as well. This is a 3 off 10. You're going to get 2 of the Sparkle paper towels. You can get your Tide Flings and your Downy Calm for $12.44, getting back that 3 off 301. Up next, this is a 3 off 10 as well. For $10.94, you're going to get your Bounty Essentials, your Febreze 2-pack, the Charmin single roll, and your Tide Flings or pods for $10.94, getting back that 3 off 301 coupon. And this is another 3 off 10. You're going to get your Easy Ups, your new Febreze scent booster, and the 2-pack of the Febreze holiday scents for $8.99. Now we're going to move into our regular 5 off 25. So you're going to get your Purex, your Arm & Hammer Suavitel sheets, Lysol Air Bounty single roll, Charmin single roll, and the Airwick refill 2-count, and that will be $11.05. Up next for $11.70, you're going to get your All Free and Clear, your Suavitel sheets, the Febreze Air, and the Febreze oil scent booster, and that will be $11.70 out of pocket. Up next, again, we have the Power Mop. That's the wood one, and that will be $15 out of pocket. And as you can see here, it is the $30 Swiffer Power Mop. Well, she had the wood one on there, but just scan it and make sure it's attaching to your $10 coupon. So for $13.05, you're going to get your Angel Soft, your single roll of Bounty, your True Living Cleaner, Gain Flings, Gain Beads, and some Lysol Air Sanitizer for $13.05. For $12.85, you can get your Tide Pods and your Downy. That's the larger size liquid there. Make sure you're scanning to make sure it's attaching to your coupon, and you will pay $12.85. Now we're moving into personal care. For $8.50, you'll get your Lubriderm, your Skin Cement, your Oral-B Floss Picks, the charcoal toothbrush, sorry, I'm tongue-tied, and your Crest 3D White for $8.50. For $9.75, you can get 2 Old Spice body wash, Old Spice deodorant, Schick Extreme 3 razors, and a Febreze holiday scent, and that would be $9.75. And some of these personal care deals are good for stocking stuffers too. On this one, $10.50, you're going to get 2 of the Dove body washes, the Olay cleanser, and the Venus razor, and those body washes are the holiday scents, and those are that'll be $10.50 out of pocket. For $11.35, you can get a Russell Stover candy, a Venus razor, the Gillette razor, and a Schick razor for $11.35. Again, these are good stocking stuffer items too, so that's something to keep in mind. For $8.10, you can get 2 of the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. You can get your Aveeno Cleanser, the Root to End Leave-In Conditioner, and a Small Spaces, and that would be $8.10. For $9.25, you can get 3 Head & Shoulders, the Secret Outlast Carefree Liners, and your Crest 3D White toothpaste for $9.25. We're going to move into our grocery deals. And this one, we're excited about this one. For $11.50, you can get 4 bags of Dunkin' coffee and 2 of the $1 Gushers snacks. And that would be $11.50 out of pocket. If you have all 3 of those 3 off 1 Dunkin' coupons, this is a really good deal. For $16, you can get all the Jell-O cheesecakes, the pudding, and 3 Mountain Dew. And that would be $16. Now on the Mountain Dew, I do have a 30% off on one purchase of Mountain Dew there on my account. It's only on one account, and not everybody has gotten that coupon. So if you have that, it might also help lower your total. Again, that wasn't on every account. I had it on 1 out of 4. For $16, you get 2 Eaties, 3 of the holiday candies, 2 of the Haagen-Dazs, and 2 Yo Crunch yogurts, and that would be $16 out of pocket. We have a baby deal for $13.50. You get your 2 different loves, plus your Easy Ups. And this rounds up our 5 off 25 deals for this coming Saturday, which is November 30th. I will link to the 3-day sale and Black Friday. I will link to the Black Friday ad as well. Happy Thanksgiving again from all of us at Rollout Savings. Please leave me a comment, a like, share so your friends can save, and make sure you're subscribed so that you get notified of our next video and deals. Thank you so much for watching. Again, happy Thanksgiving. Bye guys.